Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin in Settings, open Notifications or Apps, then pick your messaging app. Tap into Lock Screen or Notifications on Lock, and you'll see Show Previews. Change Show Previews from Always to When Unlocked or Never. This controls content visibility. Once done, make sure to also toggle Lock Screen Notifications off if you want 0 hints. You're making the phone stop rendering message text or senders on the lock screen. This preserves privacy while keeping alerts functional if desired. Now focus on the app itself. You open the messaging app's notification options and disable lock screen or banner previews for conversations. On iOS, choose When Unlocked or Never So messages only reveal after authentication. On Android, pick Hide Sensitive Content or Block on Lock Screen to keep sender names or content concealed. Also check per conversation settings for VIP or starred threads. You may need to change those individually, so one contact doesn't override the global setting. Finish by testing, lock the device and have someone send a message. Observe what appears. If content still shows, restart the device and recheck lock screen, do not disturb exceptions, and any notification widgets that mirror message content. Make sure app updates are installed. Occasionally, a bug prevents settings from sticking, so clear the app cache or update the OS. If one contact still shows previews, inspect that contact's notification overrides. Change it and retest until the lock screen is private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.